Using verb can or phrase to be able to in Gujarati. To can or to be able to in Gujarati is shakavun. Sentence formation is subject, then verb plus e, and then form of shakavun as per tense and subject. In all the tenses, verb formation is as per subject. So let's see examples. I can eat. હું ખાઈ શકું છું. He can sing. એ ગાઈ શકે છે. You could eat apple. You plural could eat pickle. તમે અથાણું ખાઈ શક્યા. You plural could eat chutney. તમે ચટણી ખાઈ શક્યા. She could dance. એ નાચી શકી. They will be able to move. If you're talking about group of girls, they તેઓ હલી શકશે. Can earth fill stomach of all? શું પૃથ્વી સર્વ લોકોનું પેટ ભરી શકશે? Similarly, negative sentences can be formed with the rules since before. Sentence formation is same, subject then verb plus e, and negative form of shakvu as per tense and subject. Examples: I cannot eat. હું ખાઈ નથી શકતો. He cannot sing. એ ગાઈ He cannot sing. એ ગાઈ નથી શકતો. She cannot dance. એ નાચી નથી શકતી. You plural could not eat mango. તમે કેરી ખાઈ નથી શક્યા. You plural could not eat chutney. તમે ચટણી ખાઈ નથી શક્યા. They will not be able to move. If you are saying it about a group of girls, તેઓ હલી નહીં શકશે. He will not be able to speak. If you are talking about someone with respect, then તેઓ બોલી નહીં શકશે. Thank you.